Hi guys, welcome to Stanashar. So today in this video we are going to see some of the comments which has been posted in YouTube. So we'll just work on it. So first of all, Pulkit Sharma, I have seen you some comments and some valuable comments you have mentioned in the comment section in YouTube. But I feel during market hours I'll not be able to watch YouTube properly. So I would request you to join the YouTube Telegram channel. So with the help of Telegram channel, you will be able to at least post certain things, and I can also share the same thing to the people. So you will be, so people will be getting benefited, and also you will be coming to know whether you have done a proper analysis or not. And so that is what I want to say. And will it play? And let me come to all those things. Okay, previous day closed. Okay, will it play differently or same? Okay. So this is also one region where the TC was at the top and BC was at the bottom, the BC at the top. So what happens basically is, like, whenever these type of setups come, it is basically called as the reversal trade. So for example, let me take the um, so this is what you are trying to say, right? So whenever I see this type of, in my experience, but I'm not back tested it properly, but whenever I see this type of thing, whenever a reversal comes, like a BC is going to up and the TC is going to down, and I feel that time a reversal is highly possible to come. So let's see whether the following week a reversal is coming or not, so that we'll get an idea on that. And kindly follow these types of setups, and that will be good. So that is what is static and developing pivot trend. So static is nothing but what you see in the screen right now. Clear? What you see is the static one, because it is not going to change whenever the price is going to change. Developing pivot range is like, it is going to give you it is going to form a pivot range whenever your price is going to move on the live market, and that developing pivot range, wherever it is going to end, that will be the static pivot range for the next day. Okay, for example, if your developing pivot range is going to come like this, come like this, come like this, and going to end over here, so this is a place where the next day's pivot is going to come. So that is what is called as the static and the developing pivot range. There is nothing much bigger or nothing much to say on it. If you want to watch what is a static and developing pivot range in a basic difference, what I would say is, like, try to have the tomorrow's pivot range formation checkbox on during live market, so you will be able to see the developing pivot range. So let me show you or take a screenshot of it, and let me tell you. And I would request you to join the Telegram channel. And yeah, it is coming, Gadget Boy Telugu. So good analyst. Thanks a lot, Vipin. And how to get to your Telegram channel? Go to Telegram app and then search Stanashar. You will be getting it. I have also included that in my description, so you can watch that also. Sir, how to plot H5 in chart? I have also made a video on that. Kindly watch that. I have also shared the same thing in the Telegram channel. Search ECPP in the Telegram channel, so that you will be trying to get the link. And in that link, try to go and give favorite and try to add it in your screen. So I wanted to ask yesterday, with the red candle post, I waited for a next candle, okay, which did unfortunately reverse from entry point. I think I have explained the 7th video and 8th July video. I would request you to watch this Pulkit, so that you will get an idea on that. In case I have not explained it properly, kindly do let me know in the mail stanashare@gmail.com, or in the Telegram group or Telegram channel, or via Telegram, so that I'll try to explain it in a brief manner. So, sir, I have a question regarding futures intraday trading. That in charting performance like tradingview.com, we do not get the particular month future chart. We get the CE chart, but while doing intraday trading, we get the future chart. Let's say Bank Nifty July future is charting, it will be different from the CE chart. True. But we can't get the facilities in trading platforms like Zerodha to plot the CPR and pivots, or to plot our own script. So there is a confusion, a huge confusion in this topic, and how to perfect this. And please try to make a separate video in this topic, or reply me regarding this. Okay, fine. So Shubham Sahu, what I would try to say is, try to wait for some more time, because what I could see is, like, Zerodha is coming with a update on CPR. So I hope they will release the CPR indicator soon, and they have also released on the weekends, and just tested it. I think they'll be releasing it very soon. So if they are going to release it very soon, then this confusion may not be there. So Zerodha will be having CPR in it. So that will be an added advantage for all of them. So coming to the futures and CE chart and whatever you have mentioned with respect to derivative markets, I have never applied CPR on it. I always apply CPR on the spot chart, and I'll trade based on that. I'll not go for futures and options or chart, because the thing is, like, sometimes we could see a market is going to go for current day high breaking in spot chart, but if you see the future chart, it will not be breaking the it will not be nearing the current day's high also. So these confusions are there. So some people feel futures chart is comfortable, some people feel spot chart is comfortable. So for now, as CPR is available only for spot chart, I'm comfortable with that. So in future, if future chart is introduced with CPR, then I'll be just back testing it for some days, and then I'll be applying it on that also. So let's see how it is going to work on it. And other videos, there are sir, have you shared narrow range CPRs in? Okay. Please leave me a link of any video strategy. Okay, I'll be sharing this narrow range CPR stocks, how to trade on it. I'll be sharing it very soon. So hope that will be helping you guys. So this is all about the content in this video. I've just shared some of the comments in this. So do let me know in the comment section if you have any other queries. Try to join the Telegram channel. Every description from here on in the video will be having the Telegram channel link. Try to join in it. And there is a group for discussion which is open for time being, for sometimes in a per day concept. So try to utilize that for your betterment. So thanks a lot. Stay tuned for more videos. Kindly share this video for your friends and family, and keep supporting.